हे हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ योर बॉलीवुड स्पाई यानी कि आरजे दिव्य सोलगाम। और इस वक्त मेरे साथ मौजूद है बहुत ही कमाल के लोग। एंड सबसे पहले कहूँगा अदिति राव है, ताहशा एंड द ओजी फरदीन खान या बट गाइज कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, क्योंकि शो की जब अनाउंसमेंट हुई थी तब से लोग बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहे थे। ट्रेलर देखा तो लगा वाह, और मैंने कुछ लकीली एपिसोड्स देख लिए तो बहुत ही कमाल का है। तो उसके लिए तो सबसे ज़्यादा ये, बट आपने काम किया है संजय लीला बंसाली सर से, बट लेट मी आज द गाइज how's it being in the part of Sanjay Leela Bansali world?
Ferdin bhai, it's a privilege. It's a lot of excitement. It's daunting. It is, you got to rise to the challenge of his standard. क्योंकि उनके लिए पिक्चर बनाना सिर्फ एक मैं नहीं समझता हूँ वो काम समझते हैं, उनके लिए एक अपनी ज़िंदगी है. It's like oxygen to him, and he sets the bar up so high for himself. और उनकी हर डिपार्टमेंट की जो नॉलेज, इतनी गहरी नॉलेज है हर डिपार्टमेंट की कि आप बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जिन्होंने अपना काम को इस लेवल तक मास्टर किया है. Or as an actor, you just surrender to his process, and you just, it's a great learning experience, and it's daunting at first, but there's a lot of gratification at the end of the day, and to get a thumbs up from him कि आपने अपना काम अच्छा किया उस दिन, या dialogue अच्छे तरीके से कहा, या scene अच्छा हुआ है, तो बहुत बहुत खुशी होती है, और you feel very very gratified. So it's a wonderful experience, but which nothing can prepare you for.
भाई जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, ये मेरी खुशनसीबी है, और कोई भी कलाकार की ये खुशनसीबी होगी कि वो संजय सर के साथ काम करे. सब लोग ख्वाब देखते हैं कि एक दिन संजय सर के साथ काम करें. सो लाइक आई सेड, इट्स एन ऑनर, इट्स अ प्रिविलेज, लाइक फरदीन भाई said, and more than that, he's an institution in himself. Just to extend what Fardeen Bhai said, he has knowledge is immense. हर department में, उनकी जो पकड़ है, nobody can beat that. So being in a school for about, a year and a half, 2 years almost now, हम लोग इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि हीरा मंडी आ जाए. तो 2 साल से जितना भी हमें सीखना था फिल्म मेकिंग के बारे में, सिनेमा के बारे में, म्यूज़िक के बारे में, सेट डिज़ाइन के बारे में, तो हमने I have really just absorbed as much as possible. So again, very 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 highly grateful कि उन्होंने सबसे पहले तो मुझे छोटे रोल से उन्होंने मुझे ताजदार का रोल दे दिया. So I'm extremely grateful and honored and very humbling, sir.
So Aditi, सेट पे you felt like a senior कि मैं पहले काम कर चुकी हूँ इनके साथ,
Never.
कभी ये वाला थी, ये जो
Never.
इनकी फीलिंग है, you must have had it at पद्मावत के वक्त, but
No, it's nothing like that. With Sanjay sir, वो एक जो मजा होता है ना कि एक कुछ डिस्कवरी हो रही है, एक मैजिक ढूंढ रहे हैं, वो कभी. एंड वी हैड मनीषा मैम, शी इज द ओजी.
yeah, of
तो
course.
ऐसे कभी और वो फीलिंग ही नहीं होती, क्योंकि हम सब टीम, like we work like a team. There's a lot of हम एक दूसरे को मतलब encourage कर रहे हैं. We have the most incredible captain संजय sir who is pushing all of us to do our best. तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता है कि आपने पहले काम किया, आपने बाद किया, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. It's about what we are doing right there, just to be present, to absorb what a director like Sanjay sir is saying, and उनके पास इतना है to give. He is a very very giving mentor, very giving teacher. तो उसी में मजा है.
So Fardeen, of course, we all are so happy to see you back after a long gap. So was this something you were looking forward कि इतना इंतजार क्यों करवाया?
It wasn't something that was planned. I had planned to take a few years off after 2010, but 12 साल का ब्रेक लेना ये मैंने नहीं सोचा था, लेकिन I still felt a long, a powerful draw to my work, and it's definitely some of my regrets. It's definitely a regret of mine having taken such a long break. But I've come back with with the approach of a newcomer. There's so many changes that have happened, and it's an exciting time for me. The kind of films that are being made, are very different. The kind of stories being told are fascinating. You know, it's not just in the theatrical commercial framework. You know, and Hira, there's no better example than Hira Mandi. So it's an exciting time to be back. I'm very curious to see जो आज के filmmakers, writers मेरे काम देखने के बाद किस तरह से roles मुझे offer करेंगे. And मैं यहाँ काम करने के लिए आया हूँ, काम करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. बस I'm very very excited and keen.
Fingers crossed for that, yeah.
Yes, thank you.
अदिति, जब भी पीरियोडिक किस्म के रोल्स आते हैं, कॉस्ट्यूम ड्रामाज आते हैं, ये मैं पहले भी बोल चुका हूँ आपसे, यू लुक दी बेस्ट. कोई आपके आसपास नहीं आता, तो हर बार ये मैजिक रिक्रिएट कैसे कर पाते हो?
डायरेक्टर्स के ब्लेसिंग के साथ, लिटरली. बिकॉज वो आई मीन जो मेरी आई गेस मेरी डेस्टिनी में है, वो मेरे पास आया है. आई ऑल्सो एन्जॉय इट. तो देर इज़ पॉसिबली समथिंग कि आप सच्चे दिल से अगर आपको कुछ करना होता है, वो आपके ब्लेसिंग में आ जाता है. But it's also I have worked with some very very incredible directors, and it started with Sanjay sir in many ways because of Padmavat and Mehrunisa. That was the first real period drama that I did, and the way that he makes us khilo, or it is very special. And so I always say that it's the directors. I'm a director's baby, and I really what I know how to do and what I do always is surrender. And I'm also lucky I've worked with some incredible people.
Yeah, of course. ताज जब हमने देखा था, यू वर ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ इट, और जो शो एक लगा था कुछ ऐसे ये होगा, बट जब फर्स्ट सीजन ख़त्म हुआ, आपका जो कैरेक्टर था, इतना एग्रेशन था उस कैरेक्टर में. सेकंड सीजन में इसीलिए शायद वो मैजिक नहीं था, बट कहीं ना कहीं मानेंगे आप कि वो जो शो में आपने किया था वॉज योर बिग टिकट टू सच बिग शो?
सर आप ये कह सकते हैं कि दैट शो वाज स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ कोर्स, जहाँ पर इंडस्ट्री को लगा कि हाँ ठीक है, दिस इज़ अ गुड एक्टर, एंड दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. आपको एक अच्छा एक्टर बनना चाहिए पहले. और उस वक्त आज निकली नहीं थी, और सर को भी पता नहीं था. सो दैट हैड रियली नथिंग टू डू विद दिस ओनली एंड ओनली हैव्स टू डू विद द विजन ऑफ संजय सर, जिन्होंने अगेन जैसे मैंने कहा था कि मैं तो 1 दिन 2 दिन कोई भी रोल में करने के लिए तैयार था. 3 दिन के रोल के लिए मैंने साइन भी कर लिया था. फिर वहाँ से उन्होंने मुझे उठाया. तो आई फील दैट इट इज़ ओनली एंड ओनली द व्हाट ही सीज इन यू, एंड ओनली अ पर्सन विद such depth of knowledge and the understanding of human psyche, when he sees it in your eyes and when he sees this in you, he'll make it happen. And luckily it has nothing to do with my background, what I have done, what I had done, what I have not done. It just had to do with what he has seen, and अगर उनको यकीन हो जाए तो everything else falls in place. So Taj was definitely something that pushed me out in the market, but Sanjay Leela Bhansali's blessing will inshallah push us all out into the world.
Of course, of course. Fardeen, when it comes to filmmakers, we cannot deny your dad, Feroz Khan Saab, had that style, that swag, that entire उनकी भी फिल्मों में एक डिफरेंट टाइप का विजन होता था. कहीं एक बहुत एक उनकी एक अलग वर्ल्ड होती थी. वो एक या तो एक हॉलीवुड स्टाइलिश होता था, दैट काउबॉय वर्ल्ड एंड ग्लैमर एंड एवरीथिंग. ऑफ कोर्स संजय लीला बंसाली का भी एक डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड है. दोनों की एक फैसिनेशन है बड़े एक्टर्स के साथ काम करना. म्यूजिक दोनों का होता था, फिल्में लार्जर देन लाइफ होती. तो आपको कहीं पे ये सिमिलैरिटीज लगी विद फिरोज खान सर एंड संजय लीला बंसाली?
मेरे वालिद भी इतने ही पैशनेट थे, और वो उनके पिक्चर में साफ नज़र आता है. He was also a keen technician, not just an actor, and he was amongst a very exclusive club of people who started off as actors and became producer directors, and successfully so. And he's definitely contributed a lot to the modernization of Hindi cinema. His films were ahead of its time, and he paid a lot of emphasis on the technical aspects of it, be it in the way he presented his characters, to the way his action scenes were shot, to the music. He was one of the first. He was the first to record in 4-track stereo, and he introduced disco music to our audiences here. And even the way he presented his women, I see certain similarities. All his heroines have a certain grace and dignity, and they have powerful, meaningful roles in his movies, and they have a story to tell. So yes, he was also a perfectionist. So there were definitely I could definitely I can draw parallels between the two. Of course, there were two different eras, and I was reminded of working with my father, and my grounding was, and he was also a taskmaster of sorts, and demanded the best of you. So in that sense, it was quite easy for me to slip into the world of Mr. Bhansali. So it was not nostalgic on many levels for me, and both of their contributions are pretty immense.
सिंस यू मेंशन टास्क मास्टर, ये भी एक खासियत है संजय लीला बंसाली की, सब कुछ अच्छा है बट वो टास्क मास्टर भी है। और मैंने कई एक्टरों से सुना है कि डांट भी पड़ती है उनसे, तो आपकी कुछ ऐसा हुआ था, डांट वाट पड़ी थी?
हम लोग तो यही कहते हैं कि उनके डांट में भी प्यार होता है, एंड इन द एंड ऑफ द डे ऑल ऑफ अस वी वांट टू गिव हिम आवर बेस्ट, और अगर हम वी डोंट लिव अप टू दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन and in return he actually, let's say, scolds us or tries to discipline us here and there. Even a parent does. So he's the captain of the ship, right? And he's like, end of the day, उन्होंने डांटा भी पर उन्होंने प्यार भी बहुत किया है. So I feel that only enhances you as an artist, all right? It makes you want to do better because you want to live up to that expectation.
जी.
So मैं तो बहुत प्यार करता हूँ उनसे. मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि अगर मैं अच्छा नहीं करूँ तो आप डांटो, कि मैं जान सकूं कि मैंने क्या गलती की है और मैं वो सुधार सकूं. And yeah, I like it.
I really value his vision, and I want to live up to it, and I want to see him happy. I don't want to disappoint him, so I will work as hard to make sure that I see a twinkle in his eye, and he gets what he wants and what his vision is, because he's only pushing us to do our best because he believes in us so much, and he believes in his characters and his world and his story, and he wants us to be the best version of ourselves. And parents do that, great teachers do that, so it's a huge privilege to work like that, and he lays it out for you. आपको सब चीज का सबसे best मिलता है, including his challenge and his love. So it's the best place for us to be, really. I believe that.
Fardeen, you felt that?
To create the standard that he subscribes to, it's only but natural that there's a process of sometimes going through a certain anguish, or there's a certain frustration that comes in, and that's just part of any genius's creative process. And once you get a sense and you understand him and his process, and he's one of those few people in any industry who's really mastered his craft, and you just surrender to that. You surrender to his process. And having said that, he's also very kind and generous with his actors. He really listens to them and takes their feedback into account and really works with them. For example, there was a scene that I think it was the second scene, our first scene that we did together, and there was something not working in it. And we were both trying, and there was something, and we did about our 12th or 13th take, and he intuitively picked up there was something wrong in the second dialogue, which was causing a problem in the middle of the scene, which just we weren't getting our beat change. And after about a 13th, 14th take, I don't recall if it was Aditi who picked it up or it was him who picked it up, but he absorbed that. He said, yes, this is the problem, and we went back and started the scene right from the start. So he really looks out for his actors, and he really. And there's no director that presents his actors.
True.
So it's part of the process, for all of us as artists, you go through that pain and that anguish to really find the treasure, and that's what you see in his movies. His vision is grand, his vision is like no one else's, and it's just a huge privilege to be a part.
सवाल तो बहुत सारे, लेकिन वक्त का तकाजा है. I've got some fan questions. एक आपके लिए है कि जब आपने फिल्में बंद करी थी करना, जो यू हैड बैक टू बैक 3 बिग हिट्स, एंड वो तीनों कॉमिकल साइड पे फिल्में थी. हे बेबी में भी आपका था, ऑल द बेस्ट वाज देयर, एंड नो एंट्री. तो उसके बाद तो अगेन अभी लोग चाह रहे हैं कि यू बीइंग बैक इन कॉमेडी, कुछ है प्लान्स है टू प्रूव?
Yes, comedy is something in which I have found success, और मेरे सबसे कामयाब रोल्स और सबसे चाहते रोल्स कॉमेडी रही हैं। और मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा भी क्योंकि हालांकि लोग मुझे एक सीरियस आदमी समझते हैं, लेकिन मुझे कॉमेडी करने में बहुत बहुत मज़ा आता है। और yes, with the right project, you know, I'm happy to get back into it, and I can't wait actually to do a fun comic movie, a comedy film. You know, but it's not an easy genre.
Ji.
So you know, it's very very difficult, and you know, you just got to have the right setup. With, I mean, you know, comedy requires some very serious people working behind it. So whenever that happens, I can't wait to do it again.
So fingers crossed for that, and wishing you guys all the best for all your future ventures, and thank you for being with us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Shukriya.
Thank you.